Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cryptocurrency Miner. This is Dave, and in this video I will be discussing about the Zcash and Ethereum mining. The profitability from the Bitcoin mining is decreasing exponentially day by day. Within next few months, the passive income from the Bitcoin mining will be nothing or very small compared to what we had weeks back. Just look into this Bitcoin difficulty chart. The difficulty is increasing significantly or exponentially, which means we will be able to mine very few Bitcoin compared to the Bitcoin mined at present days from all the hash rates we have now. To know more about the recent problems with Bitcoin mining, watch a well explained video which I have shared in the description section. So if the Bitcoin mining is no more profitable, then what are the cryptocurrencies that are highly profitable now? Well, the answer is Ethereum and Zcash mining at present. Again, the question is, which one has better future? Well, in this case, I believe Zcash has better future. Let's look at the difficulty of mining Ethereum. In this case as well, the current trend is rapid increment in the difficulty rate. The rate decreased for a few months when the when most of the miners were interested in Bitcoin mining. But now the popularity of Ethereum is at its best. So even if the mining Ethereum looks profitable now, after around 6 months, the income from this will start to drop significantly in a similar manner as that of Bitcoin mining, because this graph will not come down now in future. So it will only go increasing and increasing because it is one of the most profitable mining option that we have now. So, but if we look at the difficulty of Zcash, the increment is slow. So it will not be wrong to say the profitability from Zcash mining will last longer. Looking at this graph, the profitability will only start to drop significantly after around 2 years. This is the conclusion of all the discussion so far. Even if both of them have somewhat same profitability from mining now, the future looks good for Zcash if we are interested in sound passive income. Now it is up to you to decide what you want to do, to mine the Ethereum or to mine Zcash or to mine both. Anyways, both of them are giving a good profit or the good passive income at current time. Now the next question is, what is the best cloud mining platform from where we can do this mining? So for this, I have sorted out 3 different mining platforms, and I will go one by one on all 3 of them. But for first, I will go to the Ethereum mining, and then for the second, I will try to find out the best platform for Zcash mining. So my 3 options are Hashflare, Genesis mining, and CCG mining. Let's first look into the Hashflare, and let's look into this Ethereum mining. So for every 100 kilo hash, the price of the contract is $2.2. So for 1 mega hash, it will be $22. But it has only the contract period is of only 1 year, and also it doesn't have maintenance fee. That is good, but the contract period is smaller. So now let's look into the Genesis mining. So guys, Genesis mining is back, and it now is selling the pre-orders or is taking the pre-orders for Ethereum and Zcash mining. This also proves that the Ethereum and Zcash mining are the most profitable mining at the current time. Otherwise, why would Genesis mining would only take the pre-orders of these 2 crypto coins? Why doesn't it give few or take the orders of mining of Bitcoin? Because the profitability from the Bitcoin is dropping insanely. Okay, now let's look into this Ethereum mining price. So the minimum that we can purchase from Genesis mining is 40 mega hash. So if we have, so it says 40 mega has cost $1,520. So 1,520 divided by 40 is 38 mega has, 38 US dollars for 1 mega has. This is more expensive than the Hashflare, but the contract in the Genesis mining is for 2 years. So if we compare for the same time, the cost for 1 mega hash from the Hashflare will be 44 US dollars, but here it is 38 US dollars. The only one downside is if you want to make a small investment, you can do that. The minimum investment is 1,520 US dollars, or you can just go and look into this. So this is one of the one downside that I'm seeing. And the other thing is, even if you pay the money now, the Ethereum mining will not start from right at the moment. It will start from 30th April 2018. So this is February, March. So after around 3 months, so you will be earning nothing for 3 months. Now let's look into the CCG mining. For me, among these three platforms, CCG mining is best for Ethereum mining. Let's see why. The cost for 1 mega hash is 27.99 US dollars. If you take the starter package, it will go on decreasing to up to 26.2 US dollars per mega hash if you buy more. And the other advantage is you you can make the investment as small as 27.99 US dollars. So you can depending on the how much amount of money you want to invest, you can make your investment. And it also has no maintenance fee, and the best part is it is also for 2-year mining contract. So among all these three, the cheapest is CCG mining, because it is around 28 US dollars for 1 mega hash. In cloud, in Genesis mining, it is 38 US dollars for a 2-year contract, and in Hashflare it is 44 US dollars for 2 years contract. So for the Ethereum mining, CCG mining is the best. Now let's check which one is best for Zcash mining. Let's go back to the Hashflare. For the Zcash mining, for 1 hash, the cost is $2, and the contract is only for 1 year, and there is no maintenance fee, which is good, but the contract period is again just 1 year. Genesis mining offers the mining contract for 2 years, and the cost is 530 for 200 hash. So for 1 hash it will be 530 divided by 200, 2.65 US dollars. But this is for 2 years of time period. But in Hashflare it is $2, but just for one year contract period. So definitely Genesis mining is more profitable than the Hashflare. But again, the downside is you cannot make a smaller purchase. The at least the smallest investment that you can make in this Genesis mining is 530 US dollars, and also it will not start right away. You have to wait 3 months from now to start getting your passive income. So this also starts from 30th April, but with CCG mining you can start your passive income right away. And the cost for 1 hash in CCG mining is 34.99 divided by 20. It is around 1.75. So the range is from 1.75 US dollars to 1.69 US dollars. It depends how much how large investment you want to make. The larger the investment, the smaller is the rate per hash rate. But it's not very much. There is not a very large difference in between these hash rates. It only varies from 1.75 US dollars per hash to $1.69 per hash. and this is for 2-year mining contract, and there is no maintenance fee. So obviously the cheapest and the best is Genesis mining, is the CCG mining. In the CCG mining, and also the plus point is the mining will start right after they receive our payment. So now it is up to you if you want to do the mining in this Ethereum uh, and Zcash or not, and if you want to do what coin do you want to mine, Zcash or Ethereum. It is up to you to decide. And which cloud mining do you prefer, Hashflare, cloud mining, or Zcash? I will be sharing the links of all these three in my description section. You can register in any one of these, but for me, the best thing to do now is to start Zcash mining in CCG mining, and the second best is to start Ethereum mining in CCG mining platform. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked my video. If you like my video, please click on the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more of similar kinds of videos. And you can also follow me on Twitter and like my Facebook page. The links are in the description section. See you soon in the next video.